Hello everyone, I'm Engineer Hai from Hikvision. Today I'll introduce you to a brand new system. In the past, people largely depended on manual labor to guard against theft and ensure security. With the rapid development of video surveillance network, the situation has greatly improved. However, the increasing cameras also come with a series of problems in performance, management, and data utilization. For example, a medium-sized city can produce a video quantity equivalent to 100 billion photos a day, which will take a person more than 100 years to browse through. Just imagine how difficult and time-consuming it can be to locate your target from so many videos. To solve these problems, the Hikvision AI Cloud Intelligent IoT architecture is created. Simply put, it can make machines smarter. Traditional video network enables you to see things and see them clearly. But the intelligent video network based on Hikvision AI Cloud does more than that. It helps you understand what you see and respond in time. So how does it work? First, it incorporates the artificial intelligence technology on the front end, which provides machines with perceptual intelligence. To be more specific, with the artificial intelligence technology, machines can recognize people, vehicles, objects, behaviors, and other content in video images. In addition, the integrated multi-source heterogeneous data, combined with the logical reasoning ability of big data, also make the system capable of cognitive intelligence, so that it can analyze events and understand the essence. Then, a cloud edge integration architecture is formed based on the combination of these two intelligence, and the whole system can realize multi-tier application and agile response eventually. Now, some of you might wonder, what makes Hikvision AI Cloud so awesome? The secret is that it is a customized architecture for intelligent IoT. It is composed of 3 tiers: Edge Node, Edge Domain, and Cloud Center. An edge node can not only extract effective information from videos more accurately, but also collect more types of IoT data. The edge domain stores and processes data nearby and responds to events in real time. The Cloud Center supports multi-dimensional data fusion and big data analysis and application. Each of the 3 tiers can perform its duties independently and collaborate well with each other. In this sense, Hikvision AI Cloud is not just a cloud center, but a cloud edge integration structure with a better understanding of intelligent IoT. You probably can't remember all of these things. It doesn't matter. Here are the key takeaways. The core concepts of Hikvision AI Cloud are edge perception, converge on demand, multi-tier application, and multi-layered cognition. Hikvision currently provides a full range of AI cloud products and comprehensive open interfaces in 4 dimensions: up, down, left, and right. In IoT equipment access, intelligent algorithm, data, and application development. Our purpose is to provide perfect industrial intelligence solutions for users by working with industrial partners to build and develop the AI ecosystem. Now, we have implemented a number of industry demonstration projects around the globe, which are playing an important role in various fields such as smart city, public security, smart transportation, intelligent manufacturing, and smart retail. We have been making every practical effort to fully satisfy users' demands. Hikvision AI Cloud brings new changes and new values: edge perception and multi-layered cognition. Are you ready to embrace the new technology?